We just moved all of just the stuff out of the van, the truck here. It's now officially arrived in Kelowna. And there's this beautiful fiance. There's Rebecca's nice little car, and this is where Stephanie lives. With all their little kitties. It's kind of a duplex. Kind of a nice little neighborhood. Nice neighbors. Yeah. And here they are. They've still got all their stuff. Oh, you can hear the kids.
You got Becky. The little gate is open. The dog isn't here. Oh, that's right. I forgot.
What?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. I'm taking your picture. Come on out.
Is this all yours?
There's Stephanie.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, we're all nicely. Thank you. Yeah, come on.
We are all here.
Okay, turn the video off.
Okay.